Hello everyone, my name is Sharath, currently pursuing MBA in International Business at SIIB Pune. I'm here with you to share with you my experience of GPI process. GPI process for us was held virtually due to COVID pandemic, and in order to be a part of the GPI process panel, it was really an amazing experience to be a part of it, to share our thoughts and views on the assigned topics. And you will have a great advantage on it if you can have a knowledge of the current affairs and improve your speaking abilities. And the GPA process was an amazing experience because I also gained a lot of knowledge through it. And to start with the personal interview, it was really an enlightening experience to be part of it and to be interviewed by the top faculty SIIB members. And because I wanted to keep things crisp and short, it was more of a conversation rather than an interview. And part interview where we have to express ourselves, I would say it would be really helpful if you can brush up on your past academics and have a knowledge on the work experience if you have any. And apart from all these things, the most important part about the process was how the process was conducted. It was a very smooth process, though it was very conducted virtually. So I would be expressing my gratitude to the SIIB team for conducting such a smooth and simple GPA process. Thank you.